Who replaces Queen at Ascot today and when is the royal procession? The Queen will not be attending Royal Ascot this week and has stayed away from the action thanks to recent health scares and mobility problems. Here are the royals attending in place of the Queen. Royals are set to attend Royal Ascot again today in place of the Queen. The last 2 days at Ascot will continue to be full of all the glitz and glamour of one of British horse racing's most prestigious events. The Queen usually attends every year, but has not been able to show her face this year thanks to a bout of health trouble recently and what the palace calls episodic mobility problems. Ascot has been full of memorable moments already this year and punters will be looking forward to the penultimate day of the action. The Commonwealth Cup and Coronation Stakes are both scheduled for Friday, with the last race, the Palace of Holyrood House Stakes, getting underway at 6:10 p.m. Part of the experience for race-goers is the famous royal processions. So, without the Queen attending, who will be in the royal procession? So which royals will attend Ascot today? Which royals are going to Ascot today? Royal Ascot will today be attended by Prince William and Kate, as the most senior royals in attendance in place of the Queen. William and Kate will not be joined by the Prince of Wales and the Duchess of Cornwall along the royal procession at the famous racecourse.